Hi, hello everyone. This is Lakshmi. Once again, welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to discuss various levels of examinations. In every video, I'm telling same thing. So, in this video, today's video, especially I'm discussing about the limit of special types of functions. What are the special types of functions? How can you apply the limits on special types of functions? These special types of functions not only for limits, for the derivatives, for integrations, for functions, everywhere else it is useful. But today's video I am discussing about exclusively limits on these special types of functions. What are the special types of functions you have to know first of all. So these are the very simple and easy way I am giving the hints for these special types of functions. Without confusion, you can look at here. Just only basic points I'm explaining about these special types of functions. In which first of all, one of them, mod function. This is mod function is also known as a modulus of real valued function. Modulus of real valued function symbol is, here this is nothing but two vertical lines under x. So this is a mod under the two vertical lines x. This is called as mod x function. It is defined simply mod x in the sense actually plus or minus x. When it is a plus x, when x is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what? When x reaches to positive value, mod x is taken as x. When x is exactly 0, mod x value is 0. When x is less than 0, mod x is minus x. You have to think mod x is different for every real number. X belongs to R, but mod x is simply x when x is greater than 0. Is 0 when x is equals to 0, is minus x when x is less than 0. In limits language, we can call it as x tends to, x is greater than 0, we can take it as x tends to 0 plus in place of limits concept. And x less than 0 in the sense x tends to 0 minus. Now in limit concept, how can you take the mod function? Tell me. For x tends to 0 plus, this is called as right-handed limit. In place of mod x, we can take it as x. X tends to 0 minus means what is left-handed limit. Mod x is taken as minus x. That's simple enough, right? Like that you have to remember. Okay. And by depends upon this modulus, we can define one more function that is called as a SGNX. SGNX means what? Signum of x. Signum of x is simply mod x by x. Which result is signum of x? Mod x by x result is signum of x. In short form, you can write SGN of x. SGN of x means signum of x is simply equals to mod x by x. That's it. You have to know mod x when it is mod x. Mod x is simply plus or minus x when a plus x when x is greater than 0. When mod x is minus x when x is less than 0. If x is 0 equal to 0, you have to remember that's it. What is signum of x is depends on mod x. Signum of x is simply mod x by x, that is called as signum of x, right? Now come to the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. This is in short form you can rewrite as GIF. In public examination, especially competitive level of examination, you will mention particularly GIF. GIF mean maybe you will particularly mention the greatest integer function. It is another word. It is called as step function, right? What is a step function? It is denoted as square bracket of x. This is called as step x. It is defined as step x is always lies between x minus 1 to x. Means step x is always less than equals to x or greater than equals to x minus 1. This is one of the most important in equation I am using most probably whenever you have this step x concept is there. Indirectly, step x is what? Less than equals to x means what? Step x reaches to right side means what? In generally limit concept, x is reaches to greater than we can take the right side value. X reaches to less than, we can take left side value. Greater than means what? We can take moving right side. So for example, x tends to a plus I have taken. What is the step x? Step x is x means what? A only have to take. X tends to a plus k, step x place we can take as a. In place of a is any integer you should remember, maybe 1, 0, 2, etc. Suppose x tends to 0 plus is there. In place of step x, we can take immediately 0. Similarly, x tends to a plus is right side movement. We can take only whatever maybe this is there, that one you can take as it is. In case of left side, suppose x tends to a minus is there. X tends to a minus means what? In place of x, step x, what you can take? A minus 1, we can reduce 1 from that one. Means what is this value? Step x value simply a minus 1. Okay, for example, x tends to 0 minus is there. What is step x value? In place of a, what is there here? In place of a, what is there? 0. 0 minus 1. That is minus 1. Like that we can use in the limits concept. First we have to know basic concept of these special types of functions. How we can apply in the limits, that one also you have to know. First of all, what are the basic concepts you have to understand first. Right, now come to the, tell me step x is lies between x minus 1 to x and equals to x and x minus 1 also. It is different for every real value. For if x belongs to R, it is different. Clear? And now fractional part of x. Fractional part of x is simply denoted as flower bracket of x. Here square bracket, here flower bracket. Actually, fractional part of x is simply equals to x minus step x. What is x? X is any real number. From that, if you remove the integer part, step x is, I said to you, greatest integer. What will be left over? From the real number, integer part will be removed. Only fractional part will be left over. For example, we had taken as x is equals to 2.3 I have taken. 2.3 shall I write 2 plus 0.3? Yes. 2.3 we can write 2 plus 0.3. Here 2 we can take in as step x and the 0.3 we can take as fractional part of x. Because of here fraction, 0.3 means 3 by 10 is fraction. We can write the symbol. Okay, what is x equals to? Step x plus fractional part of x. From this, what is the fractional part of x? By taking step x is this side, that is x minus step x. Clear? What is fractional part of x is equals to? X minus step x, means fractional part of x depends on step x, right? So like that you have to remember simply. So fractional part of x is always different for every real number, x belongs to R. Now come to the next type of function, that is called as exponential function. You know, exponent means power. Exponent means power. If the function contains a power contains a function, that is called as exponential function. You know, base here, this is called as base. Base is constant, some a. Power is a function x, that is called as exponential function. Exponential function range is 0 to infinity. It is different for every real value of x. Okay, so especially this one you can use in case of the limits. You have to remember this point. A power x, when it is 0, a power x actually not is 0, but it is particular case it is 0 when this a is, means what here? What is this symbol? Mod a less than 1. Mod a is less than 1 means a belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 means less than 1. Compulsory a power x is 0, but what is x? The power must be tends to infinity. This point we are using in the limits application. Thus we have to know a power x is 0 when mod a less than 1 and x tends to infinity. These are the basic points you have to remember, right? So what are the special types of functions? Briefly you have to know. Mod function, greatest integer function, fractional part of x function, as well as exponential function. These are the basic main functions. These are the special types of functions. In case of these special types of functions, to apply the limit, you have to think left-handed as well as right-handed limit also. If there is no particularly left-handed and right-handed limits. If he has given the left-handed limit, we can think that. If it is given right-handed limit, you can think that only. But if it is not particularly given, we have to think about both the functions. So how we can use limits of these special types of functions, so we can look at. Is it clear? Once again you can revise briefly, definitely you can get idea. I didn't give the difficulty level, just I have given briefly how can you remember these special types of functions, what are the basic conditions have given. So in limits we can apply very easy way. how it is. Look at the questions. So I'm going to do some questions which are given in previous JEE Mains MSET also on depends upon the special types of functions of lipids. Clear? Now ready to look at the questions one by one. Clearly, detailedly, briefly I will go. So it is very helpful to you for your better performance in all levels of examinations. Not only JEE Mains and MSET, it will be useful for advanced also. Step function, mod function, all these are applications not only in limits, derivatives, limits, functions, integrations, everywhere else. This concept is most helpful in advanced level also. Okay, right. Ready to move for the questions, right? Look at the question number 1. Limit we can write as LIM or LT also we can write. LIM, LT also can write as x tends to 0, x by a step of b by x. Here given that x tends to 0, x by a step of b by x. What is the function here? B by x under step function. I said to you just now only, if there are the special types of functions, we have to think about the left-handed and right-handed limit at the value of x. X tends to what here? 0. We have to think about 0 plus as well as 0 minus also, because there is special types of function here, step of b by x. To use a 0 plus and 0 minus, I said that in place of step x, in place of x, what is there here? B by x. X tends to 0 plus, what happened? X tends to 0 plus, this is simply step of b by x is only b by x. Already I have given you. X step x lies between a minus x minus 1 to x. When it is a plus x plus, like a plus, it will be a only. If it is a minus, it becomes a minus 1. We can reduce a minus 1. If we take the 0 plus, this step function becomes b by x only. And what about there here? X by a is also there. Multiply with x by a. X by a of step of b by x is equals to x by a of b by x. Multiply on both sides. Here x cancel, what is left of b by a. B by a is a constant, what are maybe limit here? Limit x tends to 0 plus x by a, step of b by x value simply b by a. Is it clear now? What about right side value? We can think about the right side also. I will copy down, this is later. First I will finish this one. Right? For 0 plus side, what is the 0 plus? For x tends to 0 plus x by a step of b by x value b by a. Now similarly we can think about the 0 minus. X tends to 0 minus, I said to you, step of b by x is equals to b by x with minus 1. What may be this function? Either x, either a, maybe b by x. Can reduce as a minus 1 will be subtracted from the total this function, b by x minus 1. Along with the step of b by x, what is there here? X by into is also there. Now limit x tends to 0 minus x by a into step of b by x, we can write b by x with the minus 1. Expand this is limit x tends to 0. Now you can take it as 0 because our 0 minus part is already over. By this expansion, x by a into b by x, x gets cancelled, it will be b by a it will be. X into x gets cancelled, b by a minus, what is next term? Minus x by a, right? X by a into minus 1 minus x by a. What is x tends here? X tends to 0. In place of x, take the 0, what happened? 0 by a is 0 only. Therefore, simply this is b by a. What is the right-handed limit is? B by a. Left-handed limit is also b by a. Now, what is the answer for this limit? Therefore, limit x tends to 0, x by a of step of b by x is simply b by a. If the left-handed limit and the right-handed limits are equal, then only limit adjusts. Otherwise, limit does not adjust. Here, left-handed limit is, right-handed limit is b by a and the left-handed limit is b by a. Both are equal, then limit adjusts. You know, left-handed and the right-handed limits, a plus, a minus, like that we can denote. Okay, so this is question number 1. Now, we will do the question number 2. Already I removed it. I will do it. Is it clear? Okay, simple. Now question number 2, what is the given? Limit x tends to 3 plus of step x plus 3 is given. In this question clearly given that, particularly given that x tends to 3 plus, right hand limit. 3 plus means step x becomes x. X means what here? 3. Therefore step x plus what you can write? X tends to 3. Here in place of step x we can take 3. 3 plus 3. What is 3 plus 3 value? 6 is constant. Therefore limit of step x plus 3 as x tends to 3 plus is 6. Suppose if you give the 3 minus what will be happen? Suppose if you give the 3 minus, what will be happen? In step x what you can write? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 we have to write. 2 plus 3, 5. If we give the left hand limit it will be 5. This given the right hand limit is a 6. Suppose simply if we given as 3 only, means left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit, means simply limit does not adjust. Like that slight differences will be there. What is the main point we have to catch? That's it, right? Now look at the question number 3. Question number 3, which is given that mains 2018. Very simple question. So are given the options also. Mains 2018 is given that particularly I said to you will mention in a public examination, whatever may be level of examination, we will mention this bracket indicates what. For each T belongs to R, let this is simply under T. This is called as what? Step T. Maybe in place of T may mention the dot also, right? Be the GIF. What I said about GIF? GIF means what? Greatest integer function. Then what is the limit of this value is asking. In this limit, what is their limit? X of step of 1 by x plus step of 2 by x plus up to step of 15 by x is asking as x tends to what? X tends to 0 plus. For this solution, what we can do? First, each term is multiplied with x, means what? This limit becomes x tends to 0 plus. First term x into step of 1 by x plus second term also x into step of 2 by x. What is the last term? And so on, last term also x into step of 15 by x, right? Step of 15 by x. Now this last term is there. What is last term here? X into step of 15 by x. This total simply, this is nothing but what? This is simply summation. If you write the nth term, last term in the sigma, that's simply nothing but summation. And also, first of all, I am writing this is limit x tends to 0 plus. This one shall read it as sigma summation of last term x of 15 by x, right? Now come to the, what is here? X tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means what? Right hand limit. In place of step function, what you can take? That function is as it is, like. In place of the step of 15 by x, we can take only 15 by x. Means what? It's simply limit x tends to now 0 plus we can eliminate because 15 by x we can write sigma x of step of 15 by x means 15 by x because he is given that what? Right handed limit. What happened? X cancel. Therefore limit as x tends to 0, sigma 15 is left over. What is sigma 15? Sigma 15 means sum of first n natural numbers. In place of n, what is there here? 15. Sum of 15, first 15 natural numbers. What is sum of first n natural numbers formula? Sum of first n natural numbers is n of n plus 1 by 2. What is simply? This is constant limit. Therefore, sigma 15 indirectly, that is 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 by 2. 2 8s, that is 15 into 8. 15 into 8 is simply 120, right? That is only result of this question. There is no difficult at all. Just he has given that summation. X into, I expand with x each and every term. After that, I have taken this is as a sigma of nth term. What is nth term? X into 15 by x. That means 15th term here. So what is given extends to 0 plus. If it is a right hand limit, whatever may be these functions, same thing will be left over here. If it is a right hand limit, same thing. If it is left hand limit, what happened? Minus 1, like 0 plus are taken as b by 0 plus are taken as step of b by x is b by x only. For 0 minus are taken as step of b by x is b by x with minus 1, like that. Here there is no question of 0 minus because it is given that particularly right hand limit only. If it is given right hand limit particularly, we can think that only, no need to think other side. Okay, right. In place of the sigma x of 15 by x, in x tends to 0 plus sigma step of 15 by x, we can write 15 by x. Where x can cancel, simply sigma of 15 is left over. Sigma of 15 itself only constant, that is sigma of 15 limit value. Sigma of 15 means what? Sum of first 15 natural numbers. Sum of first and natural numbers formula, n of n plus 1 by 2. In place of n, what is that? 15. 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 by 2. 2 8s, 8 15s is 120. Which option? Yes, clearly first option. So very simple, but no need to worry. Most of the students are worrying about the step function, mod function, exponential function, like special types of functions. But if you know the basic concept, that's enough. No need to worry. Just have to know what is the basic part. You can catch that one, that everything will be solved within a fraction of seconds. Right? The question number 4. What is given? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by root over x square is given. Root over x square means what you can think? Root over x square, you can think that only x, but not only x. Root x square is simply plus or minus x. Root x square also known as mod x, in the sense plus or minus x. Therefore, this is simply limit x tends to 0, sin x by plus or minus x. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value is a 1. Here sin x by x is there, sin x by minus x is there, means it's clearly, what is the value? Plus or minus 1. Not only plus 1, because it's given that 0. We can, if we give the 0 plus, we can take plus 1. If we give the 0 minus, we can take it as minus 1. Here simply I did without using the left-handed and the right-handed limits. So limit of sin x plus or minus x becomes plus or minus 1. Here how many values are there? How many values are there? There will be 2 values. But limit always exists only unique value. Unique means only one value. Otherwise the limit does not exist. You have to remember this tip. This is general limit concept. Limit f of x is, as x tends to a is L, is exists where L is finite and unique. Finite as well as unique. Unique means what? Only one value. That too finite means what? Uncountable value. L is equal finite and unique, then only limit exists. Otherwise limit does not exist. So here how many values it will be? 2 values. Is it unique? No, it's not unique. That's what is the answer for this one. Limit does not exist. Right? In place of the root x square, you may go the mod x also. Clear? That's it. Now come to the next question. Limit 3 mod x plus x by 7 mod x minus 5x, x tends to infinity is there. In case of x tends to infinity, you can think it is a right-handed limit. Especially special types of functions will be there, like mod x, step x, like that. X tends to minus infinity, suppose if we has given, we can think about the left-handed limit. That is one of the point you have to remember. Other than that, suppose here 0 plus 0 minus, you can understand easily. But for limit case, if it extends to infinity, it should be right-handed limit. You can think if it extends to minus infinity, you can think it is a left-handed limit simply. X tends to infinity means right-hand limit means what? Greater than 0 it means. Mod x is what are given definition. Yes, mod x is x. Definition of mod x you have to know. Therefore, simply limit x tends to infinity. In place of mod x, you can take it as x. Plus x is as it is by down 7 into mod x is x here. with the minus 5x. 3 plus 1, 4x by 2x. You know, limit x tends to infinity. 4x by 2x. You know, x cancelled, 1, 2 also gets cancelled. What will be left over? 2. That is only answer for this one. Okay. Suppose in this case x tends to minus infinity is there. What you can think? In place of mod x, we can take as minus x. Clear? Now, we'll come to the next question. So, this is very important. Simple tip I am giving for this one. What is that? You have to know first of all. Limit of 1 minus some cos x function by x square as x tends to 0 is always 1 by 2. You have to remember this step. It's a very important. I am using in many places wherever maybe this formation is there. First of all, what is this formation? Or it will be, you have to understand. Limit 1 minus some cos function is there. Whatever may be functions x, 2x, 3x. That square must be under the denominator. Then only you can take it as 1 by 2. Suppose here 1 minus 2, 20x is there. In down, what will we need? 20x whole square we need. Like that you have to think. Suppose here ax is there. 1 minus cos ax is there. In down, what you have to take? Ax whole square. Then only it is a 1 by 2. So there will be plenty of the formulas. No need to remember all those formulas. Just what is a basic formula you have to remember. This is one of the basic tip. Limit 1 minus cos x by x square x tends to 0 is 1 by 2. When we can use here 1 minus cos of some angle by that angle square is the denominator, then only it will be 1 by 2. If it is not there, you have to fulfill to use this formula, then only you can take it as 1 by 2. Is it clear now? That tip I am using for both the questions. You see what is this first question? Means what? Sixth question. What is here? Limit x tends to 0 root over 1 by 2 of 1 minus cos x divided by x is there. This one shall I write? Limit x tends to 0. This x under the square root, if you take, that becomes what? 1 by 2 of 1 minus cos x by x square shall I write? Overall square, right? Root over x square is x only. Now what is this form? Tell me. 1 minus cos x by x square form is there or not? So in place of 1 minus cos x by x square, we can take it as 1 by 2. Already here one more 1 by 2 is there. Means root over 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Root 1 by 4 in the sense s plus or minus 1 by 2. Here also how many values are there? There will be 2 values. Means is it unique? It's not a unique. Means what happened? Limit does not exist. Like, clear? That's it. So does not exist. Right. Come to the next question. What is the next question? Right. What is the next question here? Yes, same model. In place of the x, what is there? X minus 2 is there. Same way you can do. X tends to 2 as this. Here under root shall I write 1 minus cos 2 of x minus 2 as it is. This one if you take under the square root, it becomes x minus 2 whole square. To use this tip, what is missed here? 1 minus cos x is there. In place of x, what is there here? 2 of x minus 2. Here we need 2 of x minus 2 whole square we need. Already x minus 2 whole square is there. What is missed here? 2 square is missed. Means you have to divide and multiply by 4. This one you can write 4. So tell me, this is clearly in the form of 1 minus cos x by x square or not? This is, we can write 2 of x minus 2 whole square also. So therefore it is in the form of 1 minus cos x by x square is what? 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2 into already 4 is there under root. Here also 4 into 1 by 2 is what? 2 with plus or minus root 2. Here also there is no, here given that this is EAMCET 2011. It is given in EAMCET 2011. So what is our next? Is equals to plus or minus root 2. Here also how many values are there? Is it unique? No, it is more than 1. There are 2 values, means more than 1 means limit does not exist, right? Clear? Now like that we can do the one by one questions which are depends upon special types of functions limitations. Right? It is given mains only, not MCET. Mains 2011 it has given. Mains 2011. Question number 8 and 9 both are given JEE Mains 2019. So both are the simple, but what you have to concentrate here. Till question number 7 I did step functions separately as well as mod functions separately. But in these questions the combination of step function and mod functions are given. Even though no need to worry, you can think about the step function is what result and mod function is what is the result. Come to the question number 8. For each x belongs to R, this symbol indicates the GIF. Set GIF is greatest integer function is simply step function. Limit extends to 0 minus. 0 minus only left side limit only given. And x of step x plus mod x of sine of step x by whole divided by mod x is given. For this you have to know already I given to you for 0 minus. X tends to 0 minus, clearly you know that clearly step x is equals to mod x is equals to minus x. X tends to 0 minus, what is a mod x is a minus x. As x tends to 0 minus, what about step x? Step x is in place of a, what is there? 0, a minus 1, that is 0 minus 1 is a minus. We have to know these 2 points already used for previous questions. In this question there is a step function as well as mod function. So you have to think here step function here and here there, mod function here and here there. You have to concentrate on both. First of all, x tends to 0 minus is given, only left hand limit is given. X tends to 0 minus mod x is plus you can take minus x. X tends to 0 minus only step x plus we can take. If it is a minus step x plus we can take a minus 1. In place of a what is there? 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now the question becomes, tell me, limit of x tends to 0. Now minus party will be over. Now in place of step x we can write, what is step x is? Minus 1. Right, mod x is minus x with the sine of step x is minus 1 by mod x is minus x. Now tell me here x cancel, what will be left over? X cancel with the minus of minus plus will come. What will be left over here? Limit x tends to, limit we can write like this also, x tends to 0. Here what will be left over? 1 plus x with one more sine minus 1 is there. Sine minus theta, you know that clearly, minus sine theta. Means I am writing minus here, minus of sine 1, right. Now apply the limit. Is it clear now? By applying the limit, what is x value? 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 only. 1 into with minus sine 1. The final result is minus sine 1. That's it. Which option? Clearly fourth option. It is simple, but by observing it becomes difficult. By observing the question only feel that is so no, there will be step functions and mod functions. How can you do like that? You can break your head. No, don't do like that. Simply x tends to 0 minus is there. X tends to 0 minus is here given that clearly left hand limit only. X tends to 0 minus in place of mod x you can take it as a minus x. Step x you can take it as minus 1. That's it. By the applying the limit you can get the simple solution. Right. Now look at the next question. These are also given in one of the shift of 2019. Now what about this one? Here also combination of mod function and step function are there. What you can do? I have given the options also for this one. Clear? Here also I have given the options. The option number is 4. Now come to the question number. For that what you can do? You have to take for this one. Come to this question, let step t denotes the GIF, then limit extends to 0 only given, means what is not given that particularly left hand and right hand limit. We have to check both of them compulsory. Limit of tan pi of psi x sine square x plus mod x minus sin x step x overall square divided by x square is given. Are given that 4 options. So we have to check here for this, we have to check 0 minus 0 plus also. Here just now like given to you x tends to 0 minus. X tends, suppose we take the 0 minus, mod x is x minus x and step x is minus 1. First I am doing with the left-handed limit. Wherever x is there, mod x is take the minus x, step x is there, minus 1. But in this one, no mod x, step x. First of all, you can make the separation of these two terms. Shall I read out the question like this? Limit x tends to 0 with tan pi sine square x by separation x square. What is next term? Plus mod x minus sine x of step x overall square by x square. We can make the separation like this. After that, we can think about what is next one. Limit tan of pi sine square x by x square. You know, sin x by x is equals to 1. To get that formation, first I can avoid this is sine square by x square is there, then it will be 1. For this one, I am dividing multiply with x square. That is I am doing here. Limit x tends to 0 minus, I am doing first of all tan. What is here? I am dividing with multiply with the under angle sine square x by x square into x square for easiness purpose. By denominator x square is as it is. Plus, what is next? In place of mod x you can take it as minus x. Tell me mod x is x tends to 0 minus mod x is minus x. Mod x plus we can take minus x, right? Minus x minus sin x of, what is step x value? Minus 1 means minus 1 square by x square, right? You know this value is 1 means simply it is limit x tends to 0 minus part is over, already I have taken there. What is left or tan of, this is 1 means pi x square by what is there x square with this one minus of here plus 1 means plus of minus x, you know sin minus it is minus sin theta, sin of x of minus 1 is minus sin x, minus plus sin x by, shall I write as x here, overall square, yes, x square you can take under square. You know this value tan pi x square by pi x square only it is 1. To reduce it as 1, what is missed here? Pi. Divide and multiply by pi, this becomes pi only. For next 0 plus, I am not doing this part. This part for 0 plus also same thing only because of no special function here. Now come to here. Separate the both functions. Limit x tends to 0, I am writing here. Separate the both functions x by x1 with minus plus sin x by x whole square. Now this value is of pi minus 1 is sin x by x. Sin x by x is 1 minus 1 plus 1 whole square. This is minus 1 plus 1 is gets cancelled 0. Therefore pi plus 0 is pi only. What is left handed limit is pi. We got this one, but we have to check the right handed limit also. Similarly, what about right handed limit? Where is a change? In place of mod x, we can take plus x, step x we can take as x tends to what? 0. 0 plus means what? 0. Now that becomes simply I am writing x tends to 0 plus, this result I am taking as it is pi plus, in place of mod x we can take it as minus x plus x, in place of the x tends to 0 plus I am doing mod x is plus x. Okay, minus sin x of, what is step x is 0 in case of the right hand limit x tends to 0 by x whole square you can write. Now this is pi plus, you know what is sin 0 value? 0. Now what will be left over? X by x 1, no? 1 square is 1 only. Therefore, this answer is pi plus 1. What is the right hand limit is pi plus 1. Left hand limit is a pi. Both are equal. This is a pi, this is pi plus 1. Both are not equal. Means limit does not exist. If we given that particularly right hand limit, pi plus 1 is correct. If you give the left hand limit, pi is correct. But he has given that 0 means what, he had checked both. Therefore, it is clearly limit does not exist. Okay, what I did here, tell me. In place of the right hand limit, mod x is taken as a plus x, step x is taken as 0 at the 0 plus. In case of left hand limit, 0 minus, mod x is minus 6, step x is minus 1. That's it. Clear? Now, can come to the next, to the question number 10. Is given that answer 2019. Limit extends to minus infinity 3 mod x minus x by mod x minus 2x is one limit is given with minus limit of other function log 1 plus x cube log of 1 plus x cube by sine cube x extends to 0 is given. We can simplify this and this one, you can make the subtraction. That is only you have to do for this question. You know, extends to minus infinity, I said to you. Extends to minus infinity means you can think about the left hand limit in case of special types of functions. You know, what is a special type of function here? Mod x. Extends to left hand limit, mod x is clearly minus x, I said. That is only I am taking here. Extends to minus infinity with minus x. 3 into minus x is minus 3x with minus x by. Here minus x minus 2x for this limit. Now come to this question. Limit extends to 0 is there. Here there is a standard form sine cube x is there. To reduce into 1, this as a 1, we have to divide and multiply with x cube first of all. If you do like that, it becomes easy. Extends to 0, log of 1 plus x cube by sine cube x by x cube and into x cube. Divide and multiply with x cube. Why? To use the standard form. Sine cube x by x cube is equals to 1. That's why I did like that. Now it is clearly minus 3x minus x minus 4x minus, what is 3x? Minus 4x minus 3x is 4 by 3. X gets cancelled. Now come to the next one. This is equals to 1. Limit extends to 0. What is left over in numerator? Log of 1 plus x cube. Denominator is x cube. Because this is 1. Now by taking the limit x is equals to 0, now what happened? Log of 1 plus 0, log 1. Log 1 is 0 by 0 form. For 0 by 0 form, what you have to do? To reduce the 0 by 0 form into determinant form, we have to use the L'Hospital rule. You know very well. What is L'Hospital rule? Derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. Here 4 by 3 is as it is with minus derivative of log of 1 plus x cube. That is 1 by 1 plus x cube into x cube. 1 plus x cube derivative is 3x square by 3x cube derivative is 3x square. Right? Limit extends to 0. Now, you know 3x square gets cancelled. What is left over here? 4 by 3 with the minus of, here 3x square gets cancelled. Extends to 0 means 1 by 1 plus 0. 1 by 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Therefore 4 by 3 with the minus 1 is 1 by 3. This is our required result for the question number 10. Okay, this is given answer 2019. He has given two types of function limits. We can simplify both of them, then can get the result. Is it clear? Here special types of functions, the mod x is given. Now come to the next question. I said to you fractional part of x. That question is here. Question number 11. If this is called as fractional part, flower bracket x you can write fractional part. Denotes is mentioned that fractional part of x. Then limit of x of sine fractional part of x divided by x minus 1 extends to 1 plus. Given to you fractional part of x is simply fraction part of x indirectly what? X minus step x. Okay. Extends to 1 minus step x becomes, I am removing this as, extends to, right, in place of the fractional part of x I am rewriting x minus step x. Now that becomes limit extends to 1 plus x of sine of x minus step x. In place of fractional part of x we can write x minus step x divided by x minus 1. Now extends to 1 plus step x is what? 1 only because of right handed limit. Limit extends to 1 now. I'm using sine of x into sine of. In place of step x, we can write 1. That is x minus 1 by x minus 1. You know sine x by x form as x minus 1 tends to 0 form, it is there. Means it simply it is 1. X tends to 1, it is also 1. Therefore, what is final answer? 1 into 1 is a 1. That's it. Which option? That is the third option. Okay. Here fractional part of x is not separately, we can think just fractional part of x we can reduce x minus step x. What are maybe the applications of step x? We can use that only. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 12. Limit n tends to infinity of 2020 whole power n plus 2019 whole power n overall power 1 by n is asking. For this what you have to do? So for this solution, simply limit n tends to infinity as it is. I have taken 2020 whole power n is taken out. 2020 whole power n is common. What is its power? 1 by n. It comes with the whole power 1 by n. Now what will be left over here? 1 will be left over here. 2019 by 2020. Here 2019 by 2020 power n for this and that also there, overall power n we can take. Again power of total power is 1 by n. What will be left over? These two will be cancelled. Now limit 2020 n power 1 by n cancel. What will be left over? 2020. That is a constant I am taking out. Now limit n tends to infinity. What will be left over? 1 plus 2019 by 2020 power n overall power 1 by n. We can think about this is 2019 by 2020 is clearly less than 1 or not? This value clearly less than 1. What is the power is n? What is n tends to infinity? Have given the tip a power x is 0 when x tends to infinity mod a less than 1. That is I am using here. Means simply this value is a 0. Given to a power x is equals to 0 when mod a is less than 1 as well as x tends to infinity. That one I am using here. Right? What is a mod a in place of mod a less than 1? Less than mod a less than 1 means what? A is lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Indirectly less than 1. In place of a, what is there here? 2019 by 2020. It is clearly less than 1. And in place of x, what is there? N tends to infinity. It is clearly 100% 0. So 2020. So 1 plus 0 power, what is the n tends to infinity? 1 by n tends to 0. 1 power 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus whole power 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is what? This is 0. 1 power 1 by 1 power 0 is 1 only. Therefore, what is answer? 2020 into 1 is 2020. Right. This is into. This limit value is 1. 2020 into 1 is 2020. Like that, you may give the in place of 2020 any value will go, but you have to concentrate this tip here. Clear? So here I use the fractional part of x. I use here exponential function. Now we will look forward some more questions which are different remaining two types of functions. What I did here, same way. How can you proceed? Some more questions we will see now. Ready? Given that limit extends to 0 plus e power of 1 by x minus e power of minus 1 by x upon e power 1 by x plus e power minus 1 by x is given. Extends to 0 plus in the sense right handed limit is given. For this question you have to recollect this tip. What is this one? Limit e power of 1 by x extends to 0 minus is a 0. Extends to 0 minus in case of left handed case, e power of plus 1 by x it must be, then only it is taken as 0. If it extends to 0 plus e power must be negative minus 1 by x. It is then only it is 0. Maybe in place of 1 by x, 2 by x, 3 by x, 1 by x square and so on it will be. Clear? Now how can you use this is, for this question extends 0 plus right handed limit is given. For 0 plus we need the power of e must be negative. These two terms has a negative, no need to worry, but these two terms are power positive. We can reduce into negative. For that, what you have to do, e power 1 by x we can add 1 by e power minus 1 by x with minus, this is as it is. Similarly, denominator, e power 1 by x I have taken 1 by e power minus 1 by x plus this is as it is. By taking the LCM, what is LCM here? E power minus 1 by x is LCM. E power minus 1 by x into e power minus 1 by x is e power minus 2 by x with minus here. Here minus, here plus, right? Same way in the denominator. E power minus 1 by x LCM is, that is e power minus 2 by x. What is extends 0 plus e power minus 2 by x is 0. Therefore, this answer is 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0 is clearly 1 by 1 is 1. That's it. If we give the left hand also, we can think about that is, okay, this is which function? This is clearly exponential function like a power x. In place of a power x, there is e power 1 by x, either minus or plus. Clear? Now come to the 14th question. In this question, given that limit extends to 0, step of 100x by sin x plus step of 99 sin x by x is given. To find out this limit, what we have to do? This is clearly step function. Okay, that is called as greatest integer function. For this, what you have to do? For this solution, I am doing like this. First of all, x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means what? Greater than 0. For x is greater than 0, sin x must be less than x. For x is greater than 0, compulsory sin x is must be less than x. Because you know that clear. For example, I taken as x is equals to pi by 2. Pi by 2 value is the 1.57 because pi value is 22 by 7. And what is sin x? That is a sin pi by 2. What is sin pi by 2 value? 1. Which is least, sin x or x? Yes, sin x value is 1, no? X value is 1.57. Which is least, sin x is less than the x. That is only I have taken here. If you think the x tends to less than 0, x is less than 0, what happens? Sin minus x is minus sin x. Minus by minus, maybe sin x by x, maybe x by sin x. Minus by minus is clearly plus 1. That's why in this case, there will be sin x, x functions only there. No need to worry about the left-handed limit. Only x greater than 0 means x 0 plus only we can use. That's enough. Because for 0 minus only it is also positive. Right? So this is example why in case of x is greater than 0, pi by 2 is greater than 0. Compulsory sin x is less than x. Here there will be two types of functions. Sin x by x is there as well as x by sin x is there. First we can think about sin x by x. Sin x is less than x means what? Simply sin x by x is less than 1. We can take the x this is less than 1. Sin x by x with what is there? 99. Multiply with 99. 99 sin x by x is less than 99. Two sides you have to multiply by 99. You know, just like here, x is less than some a formula is there. Less than a means what? What is its step of? 99 sin x by x is clearly 99 minus 1 or not? Why it is 99 minus 1? I have given to you. X tends to a minus step x is a minus 1. In place of a, what is there here? 99. 99 minus 1 is 98. What is the result is? 98. Now come to the next one. What is the next result? With the next function, what is there? You have to think. Right, only simple way, easy way you have to do, but you have to know the concept is what. Without concept, you cannot do any question, especially these special types of functions. You have to know the concept. Okay, what is step of 99 sin x by x value is 98, means this value is 98. Now come to this one. Here, what is there? X by sin x is there. Sin x by x is less than 1. What is x by sin x? Reverse. Since clearly x by sin x is clearly, what is that? Greater than 1 with 100 is there. 100 multiply with 100 on both sides. 100x by sin x greater than 100. Means for what is step of 100x by sin x? Is it clearly 100 only? What I said, x tends to a plus step x is a only. In place of a, what is there? 100. Therefore, step of 100x by sin x is 100 only. What is this value 100? This value is 98. Therefore, what is the required result? Limit. This is a, here all I am writing, this is 100. This is a 98. What is final answer is 198. Which option? It is clearly second option. You have to think about the one of the simple point. For x is greater than 0, sin x is less than x. For this, we can take any example, not only x is pi by 2. For easiness purpose, I have given that x is equals to pi by 2. Is it? In this video, I discussed about the special types of functions. What are the special types of functions I discussed? Mod functions, step function, exponential function, as well as what is that? Fractional part of x function. These applications are everywhere else it is useful for the functions, limits, continuity, derivatives, integrations. It's a very simple way and easy way explained. Make sure if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. So most of the students are neglecting the work, but don't neglect it. Only few months are left for your final target of 2021 JEE Mains mainly. Okay, take it seriously, pick up with speed. Definitely we can cover the more number of chapters. So you can watch all my videos in my channel. Those links are given in the description. Those are most helpful to you because I'm using very simple, amazing, super tips and tricks. I'm using concept I'm using. I'm doing the previous JEE Mains MCET questions also, how it will be applicable for those points in the previous year's questions also. Those are mostly helpful to you. Don't neglect your work, do the practice yourself. Definitely you can get any type of question, any chapter easily. There is no difficult at all in maths, but your involvement is must. Involve easily, don't do hard work, do the smart work. It is most helpful to get best and better ranks. Okay, in next video will come with a new topic, so that is also most helpful to you. What is that? Wait and see. Till then, take care. Bye.